Hey guys, this is Talonlord30 with a quick build video. This is the Reiver I opened in one of my previous videos. And I was just doing this to show you how quick and easy it is to build these figures. My goal is to have this done in under a minute. We'll see how I do. So what I like to do is I like to pull all the pieces off the sprue first. As you can see, you don't even need clippers for it. They help, but they're not necessary. Really love that skull head. Let's get him up close. There you go. All right, let's put this bad boy together. They really do snap fit. It is rather satisfying hearing the pop too. Am I missing something here? Oh, here it is. And as you saw in the previous video, these do come with directions, but they're pretty intuitive, so they're not really necessary. Now, naturally, the perfectionists are going to want to sand out any of the mold lines, which is completely fine. But this was just to demonstrate how quickly these guys can be put together. One thing I will point out is that his foot is part of the base. Some of these you can swap the bases out if you want to put them on somebody else, but this one is literally not going to have a foot to stand on if you do that. So he might actually need that one piece glued on, because as you can see, it's a little loose. But still, really cool figure. I love that effect of him landing there. I'm probably going to slightly push him down a little more. And I will be gluing some parts of him. Work with the exposure here. But yeah, really cool figure. Definitely going to paint him up for my flesh terrors. Really like the push fit figures. It makes it a lot easier to put your guys together than to be spending forever with a bottle of glue. But yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and comment if there's anything you'd like to see me do next. Thank you.